This tea is a potent medicine for your kidneys. Let's see how it scores. Antioxidants, 7 out of... Hello, Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. What I have for you today are the 7 healthiest herbal teas you can easily find at a grocery store near you. These 7 teas have powerful anti-inflammatory, blood pressure lowering, and cleansing properties. If you have kidney problems, drinking these teas regularly can really help. So let's start immediately. Our number 7 is a specialty from Japan with kidney protecting properties. And our number 7 is, let's see what's inside. Oh, matcha tea. Beautiful and delicious. Matcha tea has skyrocketed in popularity. It is only made in Japan, and thanks to the growing technique farmers use, it has several unique health properties. First of all, it's very rich in catechins, natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, the cause of aging and disease. Now, many teas have catechins, but the number of antioxidants in matcha is thought to be more than 100 times greater than regular green tea. And having more antioxidant in the diet is extremely useful when it comes to kidney health. Another benefit, matcha is known to boost brain function. In fact, it contains theanine, which is a nootropic, a cognitive enhancer. It's a strange sensation when you try matcha tea for the first time, if I'm being honest. So maybe start with just half teaspoon if it's your first time and see how it goes. By the way, guys, have you ever tried matcha tea? Do you like it? Let's talk about it in comment section. Another benefit, matcha tea can protect liver function, an important organ in the natural detoxing process of the body. Now, all these benefits are great, but can you drink matcha tea if you have kidney disease? Well, to answer this question, we need to take a look at how matcha tea is made. Like green tea, matcha comes from the Camellia sinensis plant. However, it's grown differently. Farmers cover these plants 20 to 30 days before harvest to avoid direct sunlight. This increases chlorophyll production, which helps the natural detoxing ability of the kidneys. Now, the special preparation of matcha tea has another effect. It increases caffeine content. Actually, an 8-ounce cup of matcha tea has around 70 milligrams of caffeine, not far from a cup of coffee. Now, this quantity of caffeine isn't supposed to give you blood pressure problems, but only if you already drink coffee regularly. So, if you don't have problems with caffeine, you can make traditional matcha tea by sifting 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into your cup, adding 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of hot but not boiling water. Let's see the kidney health score for matcha tea. Antioxidants, 9 out of 10. Incredibly rich in catechins. Blood pressure lowering properties, 4 out of 10. The catechins in matcha tea can even decrease your blood pressure if you're used to caffeine. Detoxing effect, 6 out of 10. Chlorophyll will clear your body from toxins and heavy metals, and caffeine is a diuretic. Price and availability, 1 out of 10. It's the most expensive of the bunch, and I had to order it on Amazon. Total score, 5 out of 10. All the other teas of today's video are going to come from the grocery store shelves, by the way. But matcha tea... tastes so good. As an added bonus, Matcha tea is so healthy, researchers even tested to see if it was able to protect the kidneys of diabetic mice. And it worked! It helped prevent damage to both the kidneys and liver. Now, an easier to find tea with health benefits is, let's see our number 6. Linden and orange leaves tea. Great! This is a very soothing, calming tea that's really popular in many European countries. It's an herbal infusion, so it doesn't contain caffeine. It also, tastes really great, and it has many benefits for your kidneys and heart in particular. Many people drink this tea before going to sleep to enjoy the sleep-promoting properties of linden. It is often combined with orange leaf, which has a powerful antioxidant effect. This combination of herb is really great for your heart health and consequently for your kidney health. It will help to reduce any pain caused by inflammation. Let's see the kidney health score of linden orange tea. Antioxidants, 6 out of 10, thanks to the properties of orange leaves. Blood pressure, 6 out of 10. Linden is a soothing herb linked to lower blood pressure. Detoxing effect, 5 out of 10. Still, thanks to linden, a mild diuretic. Price and availability, 4 out of 10. Inexpensive, but not the easiest to find. Total score, 5.5 out of 10. Sometimes, linden is also called tilo or tila tea from the Spanish name of the plant. Now, the easiest to find today is probably the next tea. Now that I think about it, let's see it! Green tea! Yes, regular green tea is very healthy. It's just our number 5 because there are healthier teas coming up, but it's still worth it drinking green tea every day if you like it and if you don't have a fluid allowance. Green tea is an all-around healthy beverage. It may not have the quantity of antioxidants of matcha tea, but it also doesn't have all that caffeine. So let's see how it scores. Green tea kidney health score antioxidants 6 out of 10. A very good result for a tea so easy to find. Blood pressure 6 out of 10. Green tea regular consumption has been linked to a slightly lower blood pressure in a review of studies. Detoxing effect 4 out of 10. Green tea has some catechins and some caffeine, and both offer detoxing properties. Price and availability 8 out of 10. Don't cheap out on this one. Cheaper brands may contain fluoride. Not good. Overall score 6 out of 10. Green tea is an inexpensive tea you can find everywhere that will actually help with your kidney health in the long run. And many people don't know this, but green tea also fights diabetes. One study in Japanese individuals found that those who drank green tea more frequently had an approximately 42% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Oh, incredible! So guys, spread the good news. If you know anyone with kidney problems, send them this video now. They will be able to benefit from green tea and the other very healthy teas of this video. Question: is drinking tea regularly a good habit when it comes to kidney health? Yes, especially thanks to the antioxidant content of these healthy teas, but also for the many other health benefits teas provide. Numerous studies have shown that a variety of herbal teas may boost your immune system, fight off inflammation, and even ward off cancer and heart disease. While some infusions may lower your blood pressure, help with diabetes, and detox your body. Start every day with your favorite cup of tea if you care about your kidneys. So, which one is going to be your favorite? Okay, let's see our number 4 now, an antioxidant champion. Ginger turmeric tea. Okay, this is another commercially available product with incredible health benefits. They basically mixed 2 of the most powerful spices when it comes to protecting the kidneys. Ginger will really help you if you suffer from nausea. It calms an upset stomach better than anything else. It has a fast effect and it's worth keeping ginger or ginger tea in your pantry just for this reason. But ginger also helps to improve metabolism and works to lower your blood sugar. It's also a mild diuretic and will help your kidneys get rid of excess water. Now, turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories nature has to offer. It has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, even more powerful than ginger. Turmeric is so powerful it can tangibly soothe inflammation and pain. Now, this tea is just number 4 in my top 7. It's not number 1. How is this possible with these amazing benefits? There is a problem if you drink turmeric like this, because you need to combine turmeric with black pepper for it to be absorbed by the body. So, this tea bag I have here may not be the best way to consume turmeric. Try my recipe for golden milk instead. Ginger turmeric tea kidney health score. Antioxidants, 7 out of 10. You're wasting a lot of potential if you just drink it like this. It could be a lot better with black pepper. Blood pressure, 5 out of 10. Ginger is going to help a little bit with blood pressure. Detoxing effect, 6 out of 10. Again, thanks to ginger. Price and availability, 7 out of 10. This is cheap enough and you can find it under several brands. Total score, 6.5 out of 10. Okay, time for our number 3. This is a very powerful remedy for high blood pressure. Let's see it. Oh, hibiscus tea. Research has uncovered a range of health benefits linked to drinking hibiscus tea. It can fight bacteria and even aid weight loss. But what makes this tea one of the most powerful to lower your creatinine levels is its ability to fight high blood pressure, which is crucial if you want your kidneys to improve. Actually, hibiscus tea is so rich in powerful antioxidants that it may even help prevent damage and disease caused by the buildup of free radicals. In fact, another study found that taking hibiscus tea extract for 6 weeks significantly decreased oxidative stress in test subjects. So, let's see the kidney health score for hibiscus tea. Antioxidants, 8 out of 10. It doesn't get much better. Blood pressure, 10 out of 10. Many people don't believe how powerful this tea is in managing blood pressure. In fact, a review of studies found that hibiscus tea decreased blood pressure by an average of 7.58 over 3.53 millimeters of mercury. Oh, incredible! Yes, this is just a tea you can buy at the grocery store. Actually, it is advisable that people with high blood pressure and high blood sugar levels check their levels regularly if consuming hibiscus tea. Detoxing effect, 6 out of 10. Hibiscus tea may promote liver function. Price and availability, 7 out of 10. This is an inexpensive tea you should be able to find in most supermarkets. It is also known as agua de Jamaica and Jamaica tea. Total score, 7.5 out of 10. Oh yes, This tea is a potent medicine for your kidneys. This is a tea I will personally recommend to anyone suffering from kidney disease. And you can do the same. If you know anyone with kidney problems or with high blood pressure, send them this video now. They will be able to benefit from the very healthy teas of this video. Number 2 is peppermint tea. Oh, I really love peppermint tea. And while I often drink it for its flavor, this tea may also have several health benefits. The leaves contain many essential oils including menthol, menthone, and limonene. This tea also has a powerful kidney protective effect. The essential oils these leaves contain have free radical scavenging and antioxidant activities. And according to research, these properties are a great way to protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammation. This herb also has antibacterial properties, which makes it a good choice for controlling bacteria in your body. And if this wasn't enough, peppermint is also useful to improve gut health. This is one of its most powerful benefits actually. Multiple studies have shown that peppermint tea can calm down the gastrointestinal tract. Peppermint tea kidney health score. Antioxidants, 9 out of 10, one of the most powerful. Blood pressure, 7 out of 10. This tea contains menthol, which is being studied for its anti-hypertensive effect. Detoxing effect, 9 out of 10. Peppermint is known to promote kidney function. Price and availability, 7 out of 10. Not the easiest to find, but cheap enough. This is the only tea in today's video I've got from an herbal shop, but you may also be able to find it on the supermarket shelves. Just double check that it's real peppermint and not peppermint flavored green tea. Total score, 8 out of 10. Yes, this is a powerful herbal tea and it may be worth the effort to buy it from an herbal shop and to use it as a home remedy. I've actually used it to prepare a very powerful kidney detox. You can see this recipe in this video up here. Now it's time for our number 1. This is so healthy, I literally drink it every day. It has one of the longest list of benefits and it's very cheap. Let's see it. Number 1 is chamomile tea. This one will make you sleep better, which is great for your kidney health and for your quality of life. And chamomile tea is also believed to have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and kidney protecting effects. Chamomile tea kidney health score. Antioxidants, 9 out of 10. Chamomile contains apigenin, which fights cancer. Blood pressure, 9 out of 10. Almost as good as hibiscus tea. Detoxing effect, 7 out of 10. It's a mild diuretic, great to stimulate your kidneys. Price and availability, 10 out of 10. Total score, 9 out of 10. Amazing! Now, if you have a fluid allowance and you can only drink once per day, drink chamomile tea. This one is the winner. And chamomile may also be prepared in a more potent way using the entire flower to make a powerful kidney detox tea. Check this video up here for the recipe. A new video is coming next Tuesday. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.